Plug and Play Abu Dhabi, we connect global startups with world-leading corporations and government entities to drive innovation.
Hi, I'm Sajung, CEO and co-founder of Predictiv. I received a PhD in biomedical sciences and went NIH, which is National Institute of Health, to research on the genomic engineering by CRISPR-Cas9 for 5 years. And then I've been teaching genomics at Johns Hopkins University for the last 5 years.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm the co-founder and COO of Predictiv. I'm an engineer and I am also a former director at PwC and partner at KPMG. Predictiv is the very first DNA-based digital twin to predict and prevent over 22,000 diseases. What we do is that we extract your DNA from fingernails or toenails. We analyze that DNA, and based on that, we're able to assess the level of risk on 22,000 diseases, but also to simulate your personalized reactions to 750 drugs.
About 7 years ago, my father got diagnosed with rare cancer. And as a genomics expert at teaching genomics at Johns Hopkins University, I decided to analyze my father's DNA and wanted to analyze not just for this cancer, but all other serious diseases, so I could prevent other diseases for him to live healthier and longer. So it took about 1.5 years to build a pipeline, and then we got the 4 Hopkins scientists to make it work, which took total 4 years. And then we decided to open this opportunity to all the people. That's the beginning of our startup. We already got introductions to talk to the key people in Abu Dhabi and Dubai and Saudi Arabia. So the business connection is very important, and also they are helping us for the funding. We want to go to be local in UAE. Without Plug and Play, I don't think we could do this.
It's a very active startup hub in the Middle East. In terms of genomics, 2 years ago, the Department of Health announced the world's most comprehensive program on genome study. So Abu Dhabi will sequence the entire population, the DNA of its entire population. And so we hope to be part of that huge program. Being an entrepreneur is completely different. You're basically on your own, and one of the most important thing is to focus on your product, to focus on your customers. But focusing is really what is key to be a successful entrepreneur. I want to say that we're really open to work with you, to provide a solution, because we want to spread our solution and to make it available to everyone.